Welcome, this is the screencast for the Java Android game. So this is my pair class. It's exactly the same as the one in Java. It has the key and value related to each other, and you can get key by value and value by key. This is the music. It has the method to create the music. It gets the resource from the raw file, and it stops, pause, and start the music. This is the data. It has in Spanish, English, Spanish, English, Spanish, English of an array list of all the information I have for colors, animals, and numbers. Arrays, not array list. This is my first menu. It starts a music. It gives you 3 buttons to choose the categories, and when you click any of them, it passes the index for the category you chose and starts the card game activity. This is the card game activity. It gets the index of the category from the choosing activity, and then it sets the game with that method. This is the method set game right here. It fills this array of data with data from the given index for the category. It's colors, animals, or numbers. And then this one, then I get up all those strings, and I create pairs with them, and I put them in an array list of pairs, and then I randomly choose from that array list of pairs. I choose random pairs, and then I set up a list of strings for the top ones, a list of strings for the bottom ones, so a list in Spanish, a list in English, and a map that relates those values, and then I shuffle both of them. So these are other methods I have. This one checks if the game's over, like all the cards have been turned on. This checks if all the buttons are turned down, and this one turns all the buttons down. This one checks if the array list of buttons given is turned down. And yeah, so I just thought of like a easier way that make more sense to do this, but like, okay, there's a time limit, there's so much I can work. So yeah, the clicking. When you click the top or the bottom, it does the same thing but in a different array list. It gets the correct, like if you click and all the other buttons are down, so you can like open 2 cards at the time, it shows you the text, and it stores the current text and the current button that you clicked. And then when you click go, it checks if the game's over, then it stops the music and goes to the choosing screen again. So this one checks if this one is like a filter, so if you haven't like clicked another one, or like you didn't do your turn, it won't work. Then if it does, then if the one on top and the one in the bottom are equal, then it has the clap sound and sets the button to invisible and erases the strings. So if the turn is 0, you score for play 1, and if turn is 1, you score for player 2, and else it's a boo sound, and then you clear the current strings and turn them all down again. And if the game's over, then you have a cheering sound. It sets the button to new game. So if the score 1 is bigger than 2, it sets like the label to whichever wins, and sets this label invisible. That's all aesthetics, and yeah, so that's it. That's pretty cool. Now I tried running on the emulator, but it chops off a button, and then it's either too big or too small, so it won't like let me do a good size. So it will run. Meanwhile, I'll set up. Here I am. Lo estoy haciendo ahorita mismo. No puedes hablar. Okay. So, this is that's my super music. So yeah, let's play with animals. How nice. That's me and my friend. Come on. Okay, play animals. I'll set the volume down because it really like annoys me. But so yeah, let's say elephant, cat, no. Gorilla, elephant, no. Can you hear the bull? Elephant, elephant. Woo, claps. So gorilla, dog, you can see up here the score. Tiger, wow, awesome. Turtle, no. Dog, cat, turtle. Ah, okay, turtle. And gorilla, no. Dog, no. Gorilla, gorilla, cat. I'm almost there. Oh, come on. I can get it. Oh my god. I'll play while you're there. Whale, badger. I have a badger. Okay, so if you really like need to see the winning screen, I'm gonna keep playing. But there's nothing else you need to see unless you wanna keep playing, so that justifies my length. Good, I can get it. Horse, camel, goat, camel, goat, horse, badger, goat. Okay, whatever. I can't win. Done.